How to set shipping rates on Shopify. So first go to your Shopify admin page, and then what you need to do is click on settings. Now after clicking on settings, just click on shipping and delivery. Then if you want to use general shipping rates, use this. But for this tutorial, we're going to create our own custom shipping rates. So click on create a new profile. And then for the profile name, just choose what kind of name you want. For this example, I'll just use a t-shirt. And then I'm going to add my products. For me, I just add this one. Click on done. And then my shop location is Philippines. And then my shipping zone, add your shipping zone. For me, I'll use USA. And then search for the shipping zone here. The zone name is, just choose any zone name that you want. And then for the shipping zone, choose any country that you want. I'll just use US. Okay, click on done. And then click on add rate. Okay, now on this rate type, you can choose anything here. Either use flat rate or use carrier or app to calculate rates. For me, I'll just use flat rate. And then shipping rate is custom. Just name your custom rate. So for me, I'll just name this as shirt. For the custom delivery description, this is optional if you want. If you want to add one, just add one. And then for the price, I'll just type in $5. 5 peso, since I am in the Philippines. So you can also add conditional pricing, but for this example, I won't do that. And then just click on done. Then after that, just click on save. And that's it. So if you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one.